video will be a pumpkin spice latte, homemade, made from scratch. So here I have a pot ready to add in my pumpkin puree. After the pumpkin is cooked, it is then pureed. Then I added some silk almond milk to boil this. The ingredients I used were cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and I did use a little tin condensed milk. It is up to you to use whatever sweetener you prefer, or if you prefer to have this without any sugar, it is up to you. This spice latte is an all-American specialty, especially during the fall. Make yours all year round from scratch. I added a cinnamon stick to this and I allowed to boil for 8 to 10 minutes. You can also follow on the screen to see the ingredients that I used, and I did also mention them. This pumpkin spice latte can be had hot, warm, cold, however you prefer. If you prefer it with a lot of ice, try this. This tasted really, really good. It's a really interesting one. Here I'm adding a little tin milk, and there are no measurements for this. I just poured a little until my ancestors told me, stop, that is sufficient. You will need to strain this. Once it is strained, you can add whatever spice you want to add. I added powdered cinnamon, I added powdered allspice, I added a little vanilla in mine. And I sweetened. Once this was sweetened and I tasted it, because I wanted to, I added a little whipped cream on it. That is also optional. Taste as you go to see if you get the taste and the flavor you require. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. What are you waiting on to subscribe? Please remember to subscribe, set that notification bell, and give your girl a like. Please remember to drop a comment also. This pumpkin spice latte is a hit. Please try this. Please drop in the comment section and let me know. Once you experiment, what do you think? You can also purchase your pumpkin or the pumpkin cooked in the store, but I preferred to do mines from scratch. This tasted really, really good. It has a little eggnog taste to it, but it is not eggnog. Again, thank you for watching. Please remember to give your girl a like. Stay tuned. See you soon in another video.